Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to toggle bolts for drywall TV mount. Firstly, you need to gather materials such as TV mount bracket, toggle bolts which are heavy duty sized for all wall thickness, drill with the correct bit size, screwdriver and level and measuring tape. Firstly, hold the TV wall bracket against the wall at the desired height and use a level to make it straight. Mark the hole positions with a pencil, and use a drill bit slightly larger than the folded toggle bolt wings. Drill at each marked spot and make sure the hole is big enough for the folded toggle to pass through. Thread the toggle wings into the bolt, leaving enough space for them to fold flat, and pinch the wings together so they can fit together the hole. Now push the folded wings through the drywall hole until they pop open behind the wall and you'll feel them spine open, creating a brace against the back of the drywall. Now pull the bolt gently towards so you can see the wings stay flat against the back of the wall, and use a screwdriver or drill to tighten the bolt while keeping pressure onward. Repeat for all mounting holes, and once all toggle bolts are tightened, line up your TV bracket with the bolts and secure it according to the TV mount instructions. Your TV mount is now firmly attached using toggle bolts, giving extra support in drywall where studs aren't available. And that's it, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.